So guys, there are steps like this that lead you to various trails, to tops like that, and like that. I'm just heading to that one. So although Hatu Peak is a one-day trek, it is very popular among people to do it. A lot of people bring their cars up also, but like you saw, I trekked it for one simple reason. It mimics one day of any big Himalayan trek, which means that it seems like the one day, like all the treks are 7-8 days. This is like one day out of those 7-8 days, so you know how that feels. And the speciality of this trek is, check this out, all these mountains, you can see this panoramic view, all of them, those are the Himalayan mountains. So this is one of the places where you get a panoramic 360-degree view of the Himalayas. Isn't that wonderful? Guys, check out this one point that I'm going to. Okay, not many people come here, but just check out this view. This is the ledge, guys. Okay, it's a bit scary, but such an amazing view. There's the mandir, and here back to the mountains, and check out the fall. It is really something. Quite amazing, isn't it? So guys, there's a telescope here which is now closed for some reason, but you can see all these mountain ranges from here, and these are all the trees that are in and around Hatu Peak. Finally started my descent down, guys. I still can't believe it that I did it, because I know it's only 7 kilometers, but 7 kilometers at this altitude to go up to 11,000 feet was quite something, really. Taking the same dirt road back, and this is way easier, you know what I mean? I'm just feeling so good, that I did it, because this is the first day of my trip, and if the first trek I did on the trip was a fail, I would have felt terrible. Here I am, walking down, still 7 kilometers to go. By the way, walking down, and some of the locals just told me that yesterday a mother bear and a baby bear was spotted walking on these trails. Thank God I didn't know that on my way up. Not that I'm scared of bears, but still I would not know what to do if I was encountered with a bear. Was first class. If the walk up took 4 hours, the walk down took about an hour and a half. But the 14 kilometers in total had left me exhausted. I walked to Narkhanda and called it a day. I hope you guys enjoyed today's trekking vlog where I acclimatized to the mountains. If you guys did, please share, like and consider subscribing. And stay tuned because the Kinnaur and Spiti Valley madness is about to begin. Thanks for watching.